don't take pictures.
Are you kidding? That's the funnest thing in the whole world for me. Taking pictures. All right. This will be a Christmas to remember.
Oh, Edward, I'm going to throw that camera away. Hey, boy.
All right, here we go. Boris loves riding on this elevator.
Oh, does he?
This is really fun. All right. Be a good boy and sit down. Can you sit down? Huh? I guess not, huh? He could. It's a matter of will he.
I don't want to.
Right.
Look here.
There he is. That's a good boy. All right. Let's go.
Edward, no more pictures.
Nope, no more pictures.
You're being naughty.
You gonna check out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, ladies. Did you see my pal, the dog?
I did.
No.
He's enormous.
No.
A little kid could ride him.
Yes.
I'm going to go spend the night with my son and the family.
You have a good time, Frida.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Mama, let's go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
You.
I think I should put my coat on, Edward.
Well,
Oh, the car's right here. Oh, it's cold out there.
you want to put your coat on or no?
Yeah. I'm going in here to put my coat on.
Boris don't need to put his coat on. How'd you like that trip, Boris? That snow sure tastes good, don't it, son? Them kitty cats sure would have been fun to play with, huh? Oh well. Hey, you got to respect everybody's little stuffed animals.
Where's his keg of brandy?
Oh, he doesn't have it today. Nobody to rescue from the Alps.
Yes, I was asking where the brandy was.
He's a gentle as a lamb.
Yes, I saw him.
Unless you rile him up, then he's not too nice of a lamb. Come on, Mama, let's go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sir. God bless to you. Yes, he does. He sure does. Yep. Yeah, don't rattle his cage or he'll rattle yours. Okay, Mutter, Liebe, here we go. Boris really likes to eat in the snow. It's just great.
Let him.
Yeah. But we got to go, son. Come on. We got Christmas dinner waiting. Ma, you look so cute in your little coat.
Oh, Edward.
Like Mrs. Snowman.
One day I'm going to steal that camera and throw it away.
And deprive me of all this fun?
Yeah.
All right. All right, folks. We got to talk to you later. God bless and Merry Christmas. All right, Mama. Hop aboard.